Okay, everybody, we're here at IMTS. We're at the Okuma booth, and I am here with my friend Errol, and we're going to go over a brand new machine that I know you're super excited about. We were talking about this. There's a lot of new features that come over this, and we're going to hit those highlights of all of the things that make this machine great. Errol, what stands out to you when we're talking about that?
Well, straight away, you're looking from the outside, walking in, we've got the new design now, which if you've been wandering around the show, we've got the new external design, the new P500 control, slimline control. And then, of course, what really makes the money is inside the machine.
Yeah.
What we've done now, the weight covers are all single piece covers on the Z, on the Z axis. We've got modular weight covers on the Y and the X here.
Yep.
And then right here on the B-axis table, we've strengthened the bearing, so it's a bit more rigid.
Oh, perfect.
And also, it's driven by roller cam gears inside that, so it makes it much more dynamic. We've increased the acceleration to 1G in all axes.
Oh, wow. One full G?
Yeah, to one full G. Where it used to be around 800, 1G, something like that. Now it's like 1G. We got the new servo shutter door as well. So it used to be run by air. Now it's actually a servo motor. So it makes it a lot quicker, especially when you're doing tool changes. You can synchronize the tool change arm with the shutter door.
Yeah.
And also, before we've upgraded the 15K spindle, which is our best-selling spindle on all our machining platforms. But on this one, it used to be, the 15K spindle used to be 199 Newton meters of torque. Yeah. Now we've got that up to 262 Newton meters of torque.
That's a massive increase. Still with the 15K, much more torque. Because I know there's machinists out there that used to decide, I want the lower K spindle because I want more torque when I'm running the bigger cutters. So now they don't have to decide. They can still go with the 15K, and they can still get that high level torque for the material.
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh,
and that's going to make a massive difference to a lot of people.
Anyone that's working in anything besides aluminum. I mean, even in the aluminum, some of the cutters now, you get so much torque and engagement with like a 3/4 inch cutter. You're not going to have to worry about it.
Not at all. Not at all. I mean, that's a 38% increase.
Yeah, well, and then you've increased the rigidity of the rotary. You've increased the rotation speeds of the rotary unit. It just sounds like everything's been supercharged. And I mean, the predecessor to this machine was no slouch.
No, that was one of our biggest selling machines, is the MB4000. I'm not sure, but I don't think that's going to go away. The MB4000, but it might come in a different guise because it's still a popular machine. But this opens up other doors as the MA4000.
Well, and especially with like the servo change controls and the tool changer controls, like all the different changes, the update to the P500. These are all really nice creature comfort things that are also going to make it easier on the operator.
Yeah, absolutely.
But yeah, the predecessor to this, the most common thing I would see when I was going around shop to shop when I was still working as a distributor rep, is they'd buy one, and then suddenly all the work is starting to funnel through that machine. So they're like, well, we need another one. And the last shop, they're up to 4 now. They sold off, they had some other machines. I won't name them, I don't want to cast any shade. But they had other machine tools in there. They're now in a Okuma shop. Right, okay. Because they bought one and they're like, okay, next.
Yeah, normally they buy them in bunches. But like I said, the Okuma, it still maintains the quality. That's what they're known for.
Yeah.
But now with known for the quality. Now they're getting up to speed with the aesthetics. They really do pop now, you know.
They really do. It's the modern edge. Same with the control. It's a very nice modern update, bringing everything up to match the high quality that's always gone into the build of the machines.
Yeah. And also one thing to mention is the disc magazine as well.
Okay.
Which is we have that on the. Well, this is the 3rd generation of the horizontal machines. Also, just one thing to add as well.
Yes.
Because we're producing more chips, we've got a better chip removal now.
Yeah.
I'll get rid of these chips. So we've got a center trough now. So you've got a center trough here, and also we've got shower coolant here and in-machine shower coolant as well.
Yeah, and it looks like there's a front flush now up there too in the front corner for all those little corners.
Yeah.
Where things kind of get blown
up and stick in there and build up.
Yeah. That's fantastic. So
chip evacuation is a big deal. So you can run it unattended.
Well, and the chip removal, we've got the torque, we've got all of these great things that really makes this a no-brainer. So hopefully there's people that are out there watching, maybe they're going to be here at IMTS, maybe they've already seen it at IMTS. This is your reminder to follow up on that great idea you had. But if not, what's the best way for them to
Getting in contact with your local, we deal through a distributor network that we've had a relationships for 40 years, and we cover all 50 states. So you'll be sure to have a distributor near to you, whatever state or location that you are.
Yeah, I was going to say up in
online.
Canada too, we've got distribution.
Canada as well, and South America, Central America. So we're international, to say the least. So you'll be able to find somebody. But if not, look online. Just put my name, Errol Burrell.
There you go.
There won't be many names like me on the line like that. So just look online, and you can reach out for information, and I'll send it to you. But just finally, this machine has been so popular, we've sold it twice already, and this is its premiere, and it's been sold twice.
I know,
already,
and you can't see there's people out there, but there's people outside the camera like waiting to get in here when we're done recording. So with that, I'm going to wrap it up so these people can come check out the machine, and we don't have to be in there anymore. But thank you so much, Errol. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.